Hello, grade 3. Okay, so we're still talking about adverbs. And now I want to get you guys to think about examples of adverbs. What adverbs do we know? What adverbs also do we think about describe or direct the verb in how, when, and where? Now the most adverbs are going to explain how. Okay, most adverbs are going to say how. We work, we read quickly, right? We read fast. We read all the time. We read slowly. Okay, so we're going to take 4 verbs and we are going to talk about examples on what verbs explain how, what verbs explain when, and what verbs or adverbs explain where. Okay? Are you ready? I want you to really think, okay? If you have any ideas, write them in your notebook or just say them to the screen, okay? I may not hear it, but I want you thinking. So let's start with the verb work. What adverbs can describe or direct the verb work? So, how do we work? We could work slowly. We could work beautifully. We could work smart. We could work. What other adverbs do you think describe work? We could work quietly. Work quietly. We could work loudly. We could work collaboratively, communicatively. Very big words, right? But we don't need to go there. Let's start with slowly, beautifully. We could work smart. Let's work smart. Okay? Now, when do we work? Do we work? Some of us now work weekly. Weekly meaning once a week. Maybe you work once a week. Maybe some people record videos once or twice a week. Or we could work daily. We could work when do we work? We could work tirelessly. Well, that's kind of a how, right? Tireless means very tired. Like I work until I'm really tired, right? I think a good one for this is weekly, right? We work weekly, monthly, yearly, okay? Where? Where do we work? What are some adjectives that describe where? Let's see. We could work inside, right? It's an adverb that can help us. Inside, okay? Let's move on to sleep. How do we sleep? We can sleep well. I slept well. That means good, right? We can sleep poorly. That means a really hard time sleeping, right? We can sleep lightly. Oh, that's a good one. Okay, so when I sleep lightly, it means that if I hear any sound, it means that I might wake up. I might wake up and be like, oh, I sleep so lightly. It means I sleep not hard, right? When you sleep hard, and maybe they say this in Chinese, I don't know. When you sleep hard, nothing wakes you. Thunder, people opening doors, people yelling, you don't wake up. Lightly means I wake up all the time. Now, when do we sleep? some of us maybe sleep often, okay? That means often means a lot. I sleep a lot. I sleep often. Okay? When do we sleep? Often. Daily, right? I'm going to use the word often though. Where do we sleep? Where do we sleep? We sleep indoors, right? Some of us maybe sleep outdoors, but I think most of us sleep indoors. That means inside, right? It's similar to inside. Okay? Let's move on to dance. Let's do a word for how. How do we dance? We can dance. We can dance lovely, which means beautifully. We can dance, you know this word, elegance, right? Elegantly. Okay? We can also dance quickly, crazily. We can dance silly. I think silly is a great word. Silly. Okay? Now, let me bring this forward a little. Let's see. Oh, is that better? Oof, it's better to see. Okay. Now, when do we dance? We can dance randomly. Okay? Randomly, at any time. Randomly dancing. That means it's in the middle of class and you decide to dance. That means you're playing a sport. You're playing tennis and all of a sudden you dance. Random. Okay? At any time. And where? Where do we dance? We definitely might dance outside. Okay? Outside. Easy one, right? It's easy. The where is easy, right? Upstairs, downstairs, inside, outside, outdoors, indoors. Okay? Swim. Okay? This one's a little harder. Let's see. How do we dance? How do we swim? We swim. Maybe for this one we do quickly. We swim quickly. Right? Or maybe we swim effortlessly. That means it's so easy. It's effortless. Effortless means it's no effort. It's so easy. Easy, easy. When do we swim? We swim monthly. We swim once a month. And where do we swim? I don't know. Maybe outdoors or indoors? I'm thinking outdoors. Let's do outdoors. Okay? So, this is some examples of adverbs. Okay? We're going to go over more examples for homework. Okay? For homework. This is very easy homework. It does not get easier. Okay? Now it says use your whiteboard. No whiteboards. All I want you to do is look at these pictures and in your notebook, okay, in a notebook, I want you to write 1, 2, 3 for these pictures, okay? So picture 1, 2, 3. Okay? So you're going to give me an adjective for running. Okay? Using your whiteboard or using your notebook, you will write different adjectives for running. Adverbs, sorry. Give me different adverbs for running. In this picture, you're going to give me different adverbs for this little girl who is sitting at the table. Is she sitting? How is she sitting? She's sitting quickly? Maybe. Then you're going to give me an adverb to describe this woman folding laundry. Okay? Very easy homework. I hope you guys can do it. I'll try to send you maybe a document that just says 1, 2, 3. Maybe you don't have to put it in your notebooks. And I'll send you something and I'll put the verb and then I'll put adverb. If you want to challenge yourself, I would love 2 adverbs. Okay? Minimum though, I want 1 adverb. And I have some answers, some possible answers that I will send in the document just in case. All right? Please watch the small read aloud. Okay? You're going to listen to a story. Okay? And then I want you to notice adverbs. So this week when I give you a story, I want you to see if you can find adverbs. A lot of adverbs end in ly, okay? Or ly, right? Ly. Not all, but some adverbs end in ly, okay? So it's either going to be a story about adverbs or it's going to be a story where you have to find and think about the adverbs, okay? This is Miss Liz saying goodbye. I will see you tomorrow.